Children, welcome to the EVS class. Now, as you know that we have already started with the clothes we wear, we have spoken about or we have learned about the importance of clothes, children. Today, we are going to start with the types of clothes. You have seen so many various types of the clothes you have seen, children, isn't it, children? So, let us begin with this topic. Now, as you can see in this picture, that there are different types of clothes, children. है ना? You have a frock, है ना? The girls, there are so many varieties for the girls like frock, jeans, palazzo, kurtas, western style, western set, like Indo-Western they have, है ना? There are various type for the boys. They have jeans, they have trousers, they have colorful shirts and t-shirts, beta, है ना? Okay, now children, 1 minute. Okay, let me take the here. Similarly, nature has given us the different season. As we have the different kinds of clothes, the nature has gifted us, the God has gifted us with main three seasons, that is a summer, rainy and winter. Today we will learn about the summer clothes and the winter clothes, children. Okay. Now, as you know, we have a different season, so we accordingly we wear a different dress according to the season. So, in this class, in this video, you will be learning about the two type of the clothes, that is the summer clothes and the winter clothes, beta. Okay, now as the summer is very hot due to the heat of the sun, we prefer to wear the cotton clothes. Yes or no, children? Why? Because it keeps us cool. है ना? Because it keeps us cool. The cotton clothes, summer wear keeps us cool. And yes, cotton is very comfortable. In summer, we wear light cotton clothes. Clothes made of cotton keep us cool. Cotton comes from the cotton plant. From where do we get the cotton? We get the cotton from the cotton plant. It is grown on the farm, children. Then it is spun into cotton, as you have seen in that miller's daughter, है ना? That story you have heard about that, na? How he spuns the straw into gold, है ना? That yarn. Same way, it is spun into cotton yarn. The cotton is spun into cotton yarn. Then it is woven into cloth is made, and then from the cloth we make the dress, है ना? Next now. Here, some of the cotton clothes are here in the picture, isn't it? Here for the children and here for the elders. Cotton clothes are very cool. I really love the cotton dresses, beta. The synthetic cottons are more comfortable than the synthetic. Okay. Huh. Next now. Okay. Now look how the cotton clothes are made. This is the cotton. Let me take the pen in my hand. This is the cotton. This is number one. From the cotton, we make the cotton a yarn. Yarn means a thread is made. Then it is dyed. It is put in the dye. Dye means the different colors are given. This is number three. After that, it is been put on the loom. This is called a loom. Electrical looms they have. LOOM loom. Okay, where it is made into cloth. Here it is, the colorful cloths are made, beta, with the colorful threads, and from the cloth we make the clothes. Okay, yeah, now we come to the winter clothes. Now what season is going on? Winter season. This is what you are wearing nowadays, है ना? Muffler, gloves, monkey cap, sweater, jacket, wind shitter we say, and here are the children. They are wearing all winter clothes, है ना? Okay, when you come to the school, what do you? Mama tells you, na, you come in the auto. It's cool, na, in the morning hours. So you wear a ear cap like this, है ना? Okay. Now, from where do we get the wool? Yes, the sheep gives us wool. We wear woolen clothes in the winter season. Anna, and the sheep gives us wool. First, let me read what is given over here. We wear woolen clothes in winter, children. Clothes made from the wool keeps us warm. Cotton clothes keeps us cool. The woolen clothes keeps us warm, children, because it is climate is cool. And wool is made from the thick and soft hair of the sheep. Okay, let us study now. This is a sheep. Okay, we remove the hair of the sheep, then the wool is woven, it is turned into yarn. Number two, like a cotton, उसको thread जैसा बनाते हैं, it is made into yarn. Again it has been dyed, the colors have been given to the, because it is a white color na, so different colors are given, and then once the wool is ready we make it into a sweater. Okay children. Now we'll begin with the worksheet. That is worksheet number 1, children. Okay, fill in the blanks. We wear clothes to dash our body. We wear clothes to cover our body. Dash comes from the cotton plant. What comes from the cotton plant? We get cotton. Okay. Dash and dash hair is also used to make the warm clothes. Any guesses, beta? Apart from the sheep, do you know any other animals from whose hair we make the clothes, beta? Any guesses, beta? Any guesses? Can you guess? Huh? Any guesses? Okay, I'll tell you. It is the camel and the rabbit hair. Dash and dash hair is also used to make the warm clothes. It is a camel, 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 and rabbit, better. Okay, rabbit. Okay, now next number D. Dash clothes are warm in winter. Which clothes? It is woolen. WOOLLEN. Woolen. In summer, we wear light cotton clothes. It's light cotton clothes. Okay, children. Next, true and false. We wear same clothes all through the year. Do you wear the same kind of clothes? No, you change. You know, during summer, mama says, "Now, beta, you like to wear vest in a banyan jaisa clothes. Sleeveless you like to wear because we sweat. You know, it's very hot, so we don't wear. So it is false. FALSE. No. Cotton clothes help us to stay warm. No, again false, beta. It keeps us cool. We use raincoats in the winter season? No, absolutely no. When do we use the raincoat? During rainy season. Next, we get wool from sheep? Yes. True. Clothes protect us from heat, cold, wind and rain? Absolutely true. Okay. Next now. Take the clothes to the correct basket. Now children, here they have given the two basket. This is woolen one and this is a cotton one. Now this the first one is the gloves. Where will the gloves go? It will go to the, yes, it will go to the woolen basket. Now the cotton clothes will go to the cotton. The sweater jacket will go over here. The cap will go. The muffler will go to the woolen. Okay. Then this is a cotton dress. It will go to the cotton. This again shirt will go to the cotton basket. And again this is the cotton frock. Just let me check in the worksheet beta, because here I am not able to. Let me check in the worksheet. Okay, in the worksheet, 1 minute children. In the worksheet it is given as a frog. It's a cotton frog, so it will go in the cotton basket. That is all you have to do. Now last question. Identify and color the animal which gives us wool. Now the first one is a deer, the next one is a sheep, and the next one is a goat. Can you make out? Yes, it's a sheep. So you color this animal which gives us wool. That's all for today. Thank you children. God bless you.